Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing some jerk chicken gyros. Now I pronounce it as gyro, but I believe it's pronounced gyro. So for this recipe I'm using chicken thighs. I've already removed the bone and the skin. Back here I have some green seasoning, some jerk seasoning. I also have some ginger paste, and in here I have salt, black pepper. I also have garlic powder, smoked paprika. So first we're gonna start by going in with all our dried seasonings and putting them straight into the bowl. Now I'm going in with some jerk seasoning. I'm using the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. I typically use the mild, but this was the only one they had at the time, so I'm using the hot and spicy. Next, I'm going in with some plain Greek yogurt and juice of a lemon. Now I'm using half of a lemon. I also went in with just a little bit of ginger paste. And of course, some green seasoning. So this is how it looks. It is all seasoned. I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap as usual. I'm gonna have it marinate for 1 to 2 hours, and then we're gonna start the cooking process. So this is how the chicken is looking. I had it in the oven for about 45 minutes. I already cut up my cucumber, lettuce, tomato, and also some red onion. And next we're just gonna chop these up and we're gonna assemble everything together. So for assembling, the first thing I have, I'm using naan bread in this recipe, and I went ahead and I wrapped it in some damp paper towels, placed it into the microwave for about 30 seconds, just so it softens it up a bit, and we're gonna start to assemble. The first thing I'm going in with is my boursin garlic and fine herbs cheese. This is optional. You can go ahead with your Greek yogurt and dill and make your own concoction, but I really like this cheese, so I'm gonna add it as my base. Next we go in with some lettuce, cucumber. Next we go in with the chicken, and tomatoes, and onions. I went ahead and I just wrapped it up, and this is how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.